With the plotting functionality in Dassault Systèmes GEOVIA Surpac, plots using multiple viewports can be created simply and easily. In this example, we can see construction of 4 different viewports that can be aligned to make up one A1 size plot. This viewport contains a title block in the bottom left-hand corner. The title block can be specified to suit user requirements and can include logos or images within the plot, as well as user-defined fields. An upper right drawing area is designated, and a lower right drawing area is designated. On completion of all of these drawing areas, which can be altered and edited at any time, they can all be used together to formulate an A1 sized plot. Display of all 4 drawing areas simultaneously is possible by using the control function and simply dragging them into the viewing window. The first plot created as part of this image shows the profile of our drives. As can be seen, some measurements have already been placed on the plot. Further measurements can be added. As part of this process, we can specify the text that goes alongside the measurement and how many decimal places are displayed. The height and pen for the text can be changed at any time by the user. Once the distance to be measured has been selected, the measurement will appear on screen and can be moved by the user at will. A similar process allows the user to specify and create a label which can be placed in any location on the plot. Once the plot has been completed, this label can be moved to any location. The next plot created in the upper right-hand portion of the window shows an overall view of the layout for this particular level, level 1570. The red line denotes a section line and has been taken directly from Surpac. Let's make it more clear by adding in a label. In common with the other labels that have been created during this video, the label is created simply and easily, and all elements of it can be changed at any time. The third section of this plot to look at shows the easting section that was displayed using the red line in the previous section of the plot. As can be seen, the drive currently is of a color that's not consistent with the others. So we will change the color to black. Changes can also be made by the user to information contained within the legend, and in this instance to the block model values that are displayed on the section. As each of these block model values is an individual plot item, each of them can be changed independently of the other at will. Finally, we repeat the recolor operation on the other drive contained within the section. Once all 4 plots have been completed, they can then be displayed at the same time on one A1 sheet. The final stage of a plot such as this is to ensure that labeling is consistent across the 4 plots and that all items are labeled as required. It's possible to make changes to elements within any of the 4 plotting windows within this view.